Hello students, let's understand what is Booth algorithm. This algorithm is used for the multiplication in computer architecture. So it is a multiplication algorithm used for signed and unsigned numbers. So understand this line, signed and unsigned numbers means we can multiply both type of numbers, whether it is signed numbers or unsigned numbers, okay, positive or negative numbers, or combination of both. Okay, it has advantage over the normal multiplication when the multiplier is having block of ones. So let's understand what is meaning of this line. So I repeat this line, it has advantage over normal multiplication when multiplier is having block of ones. Suppose we have to multiply plus 45 into plus 30. So 45 is multiplied with 30. So first we have to make a binary representation of plus 45 and binary binary representation of plus 30. So this 45 is called as multiplicand and this 30 is called as multiplier. So binary representation is 0 1 0 1 1 0 1, that is for 45, and for 30 it is 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So these four ones, it is called as a block of ones. So these four ones are coming consecutively, so this forms one block and this is called as a block of ones. And Booth suggests that this algorithm is useful when we are having such kind of uh, arrangement of ones. So if we have ones, then we have to go for the Booth's multiplication. Okay, so what happens in normal multiplication? Suppose we are multiplying this 45 with this 30, then first we have to multiply with this 0 to whole number, then for this one we have to multiply this whole number, for this one we have to multiply this number, for this one we have to multiply this number, and these four results are means total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 partial products will be generated, and we have to add these partial products to get the final result. Okay, so here you can find out we have 4 times of addition and 4 times of actual multiplicand is written as it is because it is multiplied by 1, so it is written as it is. 1 into 45 is 45, so we have to write this 45 as it is 4 times, and 3 times we have to write 0 0 0. So this total makes 7 summands, and that we have to add. Okay, now let's focus on how Booth algorithm reduce this number of ones in the multiplier. So Booth's algorithm is basically used for the multiplier. Okay, so multiplier has to be recorded. So Booth suggests that uh, um, we have to reduce number of operations by recording this multiplier as a difference of two numbers. So that is very important. What Booth suggests that this 30 is having consecutive ones or block of ones, and that we have to reduce because this many times we have to multiply this number, or we have to take multiplicand as it is and then we have to add. So Booth suggests that we have to reduce this number of operations, and it is suggested that this number, multiplier number 30, can be represented as a difference of two numbers. So this 30 can be represented like this. So we take difference of two numbers. So 32 minus 2 will give you 30. Okay. So what is the idea about this? We know that these two numbers 32 and 2 can be calculated with the help of 2's power. So we know that 2 to the power 1 gives you 2 and 2 to the power 5 will give you 35. So that's why Booth suggests that we have to use two numbers, such numbers which are in a multiple of 2's, or we can have we can represent that number with the help of 2 power. So that numbers can be subtracted so that we are getting final multiplier, and that multiplier will be this 0 1 1 1 1, which is same as this 30. Now what is the idea? First we have to represent this 32. So this 30 number is represented with the help of this. We have to make subtraction of 32 minus 2. So these are some bits. So this is 0th bit, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. 6 bits are there. So 2 to the power 0, it's 1. This is 2 to the power 1. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Okay, so this bit is a 32. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So we have to make this bit as a 1 because we have to subtract 32 minus 2. So this bit should be 1 and that should be positive 1 because we want to make subtraction. So first number should be positive and second we know that the power of this bit is what? 1, 2. So this is 2. So we have to subtract 2. That's why it is minus 1. So plus 32 minus 2 which gives you plus 30. So that is the idea about the Booth algorithm. Okay, let's find out details of this algorithm. So Booth suggests that some recoding table means multiplier has to be recoded into some different ones and zeros that should reduce the number of operations performed in the normal multiplication. So this multiplier table recoding table is as, so we have to think about two bits. The first bit is I minus 1 bit, means extreme rightmost bit, and the bit which is called as ith bit, so current bit. Okay, so we move from right to left. Okay, so consider this bit, this is I minus 1 bit and this is ith bit. So I minus 1 bit is 0 and ith bit is 0. Then we have to replace this total, or we can replace the ith bit with the 0 as a multiplier bit. Okay, for this case 0 and 1, 0 and 1, we have to replace this ith bit with the plus 1 bit. For I minus 1 bit is 0, for our I bit is 1, so we have to replace it with minus 1 multiplier. Okay, we have to use this bit instead of this ith bit. Okay, so this 1 1 gives you 0. It's very simple arrangement, as we know that there are 2 bits only in consideration. That's why we have a truth table for 4 rows. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So both the zeros are there, we have to make a 0. Both ones are there, we have to make a 1, sorry 0. And for this 0 1 0, we are moving from 1 to 0, then it is positive 1. We are moving 0 to 1, so it is minus 1. Okay, so let's understand how it works. Suppose our multiplier is a 6, minus 6. We want to multiply some number with a minus 6. So first we understand how to record this minus 6 using Booth table. Okay, so minus 6 is represented in in the 2's complement form like this: 1 1 0 1 0. You can remember like this. This is a sign bit, or we can have this. This is a bit which is required to indicate the minus sign. So this is also indicating a minus sign, because we know that the ones which are appearing to left of this one indicating the same result. So we know that power of this bit is 0 2 4 8. So this bit is 8, so we consider this bit as a minus bit. So this is minus 8 and this is plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2 indicates minus 6. So this is what the 2's complement representation of minus 6. Okay, now how to record this binary values? Let's understand. Initially we have to attach 1 0 at the rightmost position or at its LSB position. Okay, so 0th bit is added at the LSB, and now this is our I minus 1 bit and this bit is ith bit. So we have to move from right to left. So this compare these two bits, it's a 0 0. So the ith bit should be replaced as 0 because 0 0 bits indicates the multiplier bit 0. Now move from this I minus 1 bit to this ith bit. So 0 to 1, we are moving from 0 to 1, that's why it is minus 1. Ith bit is replaced, so these two bits are compared, 1 0 bits are compared, 1 0, and it is plus 1. Remember, this ith bit is replaced, so this is I minus 1 bit, this is ith bit, compare 0 1 0 1, it is minus 1, so write here minus 1, and this 1 1 replace the ith bit 0. So final recording of minus 6 is 0 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so the next video we will see the next part of this Booth algorithm. Thank you.